That's right. I got one out. How do I do it? I hear you say. Let me just say that these newer post 99 model forks do have a drain plug. And the drain plug's pretty important when you're disassembling as well. So you'll see in the bottom of the fork that I haven't disassembled yet, there's a bolt in there with the Allen key head. So, take it out. And show you what we've got. Now with that out, we'll see what happens when I try to slide the top part of the fork out. Oh, funny that. And that's where it goes into. Bottom there. I've been bashing on it. Tried to winch it out. Tried to ratchet strap it out. Tried to heat the crap out of it. Trying to pop the seal out. Had to break them apart. All I need to do was remove that bolt. The seal's still in there, yeah. But now, I can just get a screwdriver in there and just pop it out. Like this. Done. And that's all there was to it. So that's it. That's all the parts there is. So yeah, these forks are very, very different in the way they've been put together compared to the ones on the older bikes. Unfortunately, all the manuals, all the service manuals for the CT110 all refer to the older model bikes, the pre-99 model bikes. And I haven't been able to find a service manual that includes the disassembly instructions or the assembly instructions for the post-99 CT110 Forks. And even quick look on YouTube, the only videos there are the videos of Americans doing the rebuilds on the forks on the Trail 110s, and a South African bloke that does the same thing, which is the same type of forks from those bikes as well, which are all the old type of forks. So according to the internet, there's no guide or nothing, no manual, no video, no walkthrough, no blog, no nothing that shows you how to disassemble CT110 forks from a bike that was made post 1999. And now there is. So there you have it. That's all the parts from the front forks from a post 1999 CT110 front end. Done. So I'll dunk all these in a bucket filled with degreaser, just let them soak overnight. Rinse them off in the morning, dry them off and get them all ready for reassembly.